To get a precise finish when detailing your car, the right tools are necessary. Cloths and old rags can only do so much for dusty vents, grimy hubcaps, and faded plastic trim. Equipped with the best detailing brushes, it's easier to clean, polish, and restore car parts and achieve an expert-level finish. 1. E-Funcar Car Detailing Brush Kit. Avoiding scratches is one of the most important parts of detailing a car. The right cleaning products need to be durable enough to clean and polish without leaving damage behind. For careful shoppers after an interior brush, the E-Funcar set works well for cleaning. The plastic handles completely eradicate the risk of scratching painted or sensitive surfaces inside the vehicle and are even safe enough to use on screens. The synthetic bristles can be used dry to clean or be soaked with a solution to detail. With 2 handle lengths included, the longer brush size is best for getting between oddly angled crevices. After using it, one customer wrote that these 2 are the best brushes I have bought for the money. 2. TEUOPIOE Auto Interior Dust Brush. Built for cleaning dashboards, vents, and narrow spaces, this small and compact brush from TEUOPIOE is perfect for tight spaces. It's constructed with a curved pattern of bristles, of which are supremely soft and unable to leave scratches, that enable an easy slide across hard-to-reach areas. The knobbed handle makes it easy to control, and its small size is perfect for storing in portable car detailing kits or glove compartments. Additionally, the accessory is an excellent choice for cleaning off navigation, camera, and media screens. The fine bristles are skilled at collecting pet hair from cars, too. As described by shoppers, it gets in every crack, and is an essential tool for a quick clean when stuck in traffic or in a time crunch. 3. Detail Dudes Boars Hair Ultra Soft Car Brush Set. The thought of boar hair being used in a brush may evoke images of coarse, rigid bristles, but this type of hair is actually relatively soft and carries many useful properties. As the bristles featured in Detail Dudes brushes prove, these filaments can get wet without losing structure or cleaning power, and they're capable of expelling dirt and grime quickly when rinsed. When it comes to car detailing, they can handle any finer exterior job, be it cleaning off lug nuts or grills, but they're equally fit for getting inside vents and awkward spaces. Aside from cleaning, they're also perfect for applying glosses and stain removers. The brush retains its integrity, and one buyer wrote that they didn't lose a single bristle after hours of detailing. 4. TTRCB Car Detailing Kit. Anyone jumping into car detailing for the first time may want to lean on a kit that's already put together. That's exactly what the 27-piece TTRCB set provides. There is a brush or head for every need and a case to neatly store it all in, too. Provided are larger microfiber pads that remove dust and sponges that can handle larger areas on a car. It also has attachments that are compatible with electric drills for really scouring grime on rims, grills, and tires. On top of all of this, there is a specialized 3-layer vent cleaner and 5 sizes of brushes with elongated soft bristles for covering the interior of the car. With plenty of soft options out there, this kit has an extremely tough wire brush for knocking out corrosion. 5. Yisheri Lee Car Detailing Brush Set. 5 different sizes of brushes make this kit from Yisheri Lee a must-have. These classic interior detailing brushes run the gamut, from smaller heads that slip into vents and meld around electric window switches to larger brushes for cleaning out cup holders and dusting off dashboards. While the synthetic heads are cut out for any detailing job due to their soft nature, the brand also sells a boar hair version, too, for deeper cleaning. Users will want to use a little extra caution as the bristle holders are made of metal and can cause scratches if they're accidentally swiped against paint or easily blemished materials. 6. Detail Factory Curveball XL Synthetic Brush. Finer detail brushes are ideal for smaller crevices and intricate work, but for buffing, scrubbing, and applying solutions to large areas, users will want a thicker brush like Detail Factory's. It fits comfortably in hand yet is big enough to coat vast exterior or interior sections, like the dashboard. The soft bristles are gentle enough to swipe over leather and car paint but are equally capable of buffing in tire dressing. This product comes with a drying rack that prevents formulas from wrecking the head and deteriorating where the bristles are attached. It's a very thoughtfully designed tool.